This is my desk setup. Well, it doesn't look like one right now because of that huge mess, so let's change that. I now have everything out. I left my 3D printer right there because it's going to be right next to my desk. This thing is so dang heavy. Now that I have it here, let's put it all together. Oh, styrofoam. Don't you guys just hate styrofoam? Because then it gets all over. Alright, time to start building, and this is most likely going to take me a while, so let's just do a time lapse. Just this one drawer right here is taking me about 15 minutes to build, so I'm just going to skip to when I actually have it built, and I'll get back to you guys. And it's all done. I finally got the desk done, and it looks really nice. I really love this wood color and the way that it just pops with the gray wall. And now that we have the whole desk built, let's put all my stuff on it. First thing that we will be adding to the desk is a desk mat. This helps the desk look a little bit less bare. Second thing I'll be adding to my desk is a desk light, which I'm actually using to film right now, so let me get that on real quick. And here it is with the desk light on. I think it looks really good. Now let me keep adding stuff because it looks a little bit plain right now. Now that my desk setup is finally done, for the most part, let's redo the beginning of the video. This is my desk setup. Now that my desk setup is finally done, let's do a little desk tour. So over here I have my broken FPV drone frame and a second one that I actually 3D printed out of carbon fiber filament. And then over here I have my scissors, pens, and pencils. I got some chapstick and my wallet and coins down there. Over here I have my mouse, my keyboard, and my laptop. And if you move over here, I have my 3D printer so I can design stuff there, send it over to the 3D printer, and get it done quick. Then over here, you've got my drawers where I keep all my parts for my drones, which I'm actually working on this one right now, tiny one. And then I have my FPV drone bag with my big drone in it, 5-inch. And if you move to down here, you've got a drawer with all my headphones and gaming controllers in it. Then I got my iPad right here, actually. And then I also have all my books down here. And a little trash can down here. And that's basically it. If you guys like this type of content, please subscribe so I can do more stuff like this. And I'm on the road to 500 subscribers, where I'll be doing a live stream designing on my laptop what you guys want me to 3D print, and also 3D print it. So subscribe. Thanks for watching.